A new way to detox: eat to support 6 organs of elimination. It may surprise you to learn that your body's natural detoxification process is supported by 6 organs. These comprise the skin, lymph, intestines, lungs, liver, and kidneys. Every organ functions to get rid of toxins, or extra waste, which is created by regular metabolic activities. Here's a guidance on how to use certain nutrients from meals to boost each of your detox organs. Liver. This strong organ purges the blood and changes toxic substances so they can eventually be expelled. By purifying and filtering every drop of blood and breaking down all chemicals, even the healthy ones, it controls all bodily poisons. The best foods for liver detoxification are those that are bitter and encourage the body to produce its own internal antioxidants, particularly glutathione. The following foods and drinks aid in liver detoxification. Broccoli. Beets, broccoli, garlic. Mixed greens. Juice from lemons. Verdant apples. The following bitter plants aid in liver detoxification. Dock dandelion yellow. Kidneys. After the liver has cleaned your blood, the function of your 2 kidneys is to remove waste and toxins from it by converting it into urine. In reaction to concentrations of water and electrolytes, the kidneys flush waste that is soluble in water. Water should be consumed in excess of 2 quarts each day to aid in detoxifying. Greens, herbs, and teas are also good choices because they are mild diuretics that help support kidney detoxification without disrupting your electrolyte balance. Certain meals function as renal tonics to remove excess toxins and stop the growth of bacteria, while others cleanse the kidneys and support normal blood pressure. Foods and drinks that aid in kidney flushing. Water alfalfa, parsley, cilantro, green tea, and nettle. Foods that are rejuvenating. Juniper berry. Cranberry. Lungs. The airborne poisons, molds, carbon dioxide, and allergies must all be filtered out by your lungs. All it takes to naturally cleanse your lungs is to inhale and exhale deeply. Lung cleansing is also aided by restful sleep devoid of severe snoring or sleep apnea. To further cleanse the lungs, use a Himalayan salt pipe 1 or go to the beach and breathe in the salt air 2. The greatest foods for lung detoxification are those with slippery/soothing textures and spicy/pungent flavors. Foods that help the lungs consist of mustard with black seeds, raw turnip wasabi cayenne. Lymph. The lymphatic system eliminates bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens from circulation in tandem with your red blood circulation, thus mitigating the effects of infection. 3. Tender and swollen lymph nodes are located in chains throughout the body and brain, and they can become so when an illness is being treated. For the lymph system to work properly, it must move. Sweating, breast massage, and cardiovascular exercise 4 can all help to promote lymph flow. Press 10 times on your thymus gland, which is located right beneath your sternum, to promote lymph flow. Additionally, you can encourage lymph cleansing by gently brushing your skin in a circular manner from your feet to your heart, as well as from your neck and fingertips to your heart, with a natural bristle brush or sea sponge. We have no control over the accessibility features of the third-party content this advertisement is displayed using. The following foods aid in lymph detoxification. Turmeric and ginger. Grapefruit, lime, and lemon. Seaweeds. Garlic. Adaptogenic herbs with lymphatic movement. Astragalus echinacea, or golden seal. Colon. The colon, or big intestine, has the responsibility of eliminating solid waste in order to prevent its recirculation into the bloodstream. It also contains the protective microorganisms known as the microbiome, which comprise the body's ecology. The colon must eliminate outdated feces in order to detoxify, but sadly, constipation is a common problem in America. 5. Increasing your consumption of soluble and insoluble fibers, water, edible bentonite clay, probiotics, and mild herbal or salt laxatives can aid in colon detoxification. To find the best course of action for you, speak with your healthcare professional. The following foods aid in colon detoxification. Lentils. Chia seeds. Lacto-fermented foods, apple cider vinegar, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Root crops such as turnips, beets, and sweet potatoes. Garlic with onions. Apples. Sources of fiber and herbs that stimulate the colon. Allocilium dandelion. Skin. Sweating off toxins is one of the skin's detoxification functions. Similar to your lungs, waste can be absorbed by the skin and subsequently expelled by excessive heat, salty sweat, and electrolytes. All of the waste materials that are absorbed by or expelled from the skin are unknown to us. The skin is our largest organ, as we know, and it constantly exchanges waste materials and oxygen. Every detox method is good for the skin, but in particular, saunas, dry skin brushing, Epsom salt baths, and exercise are beneficial. Water consumption is essential for encouraging a healthy perspiration, so keep that in mind. The following foods aid in skin detoxification. Berries. Viola purple. Asparagus. Cashews. Sun butter and sunflower seeds. Herbs that aid in skin cleansing include straw oats nettle,